Okay. So all of you have made it. Make it very, very light with your pencil. Don't press your pencil very hard.
I'm not done yet.
Okay. So now what we will do. So now you know how many days are there in a month. How to calculate that? Raise your hand if you know. Raise your hand if you know how we see how many days there are in a month.
Ma'am, there in the month 30 or 31.
It can be 29 also.
Ma'am, in February there 29.
Yes, yes,
February there's 27, 28 or 29.
yes. But how do we check? Do you know this? We can check it with our hand. How many
Yes.
days there are in a month?
Yes, ma'am, like this.
Yes, like this. So what we do, look here.
January, February,
Yes,
April, May, June, July, August, September.
correct, correct. So now we will make the calendar for October. So let's see how many days we have in October. This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Means 31 days.
31 days.
31, yes. So we will have to make the calendar till 31. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But when does the month start? That we will have to check online. Okay. You can check the calendar somewhere and see how many days, when does the day start. So I am checking it. Okay. October we have. So October 1st is Friday. Okay, Friday. So Friday we will have 1st. So here first day is starting, one here. And here there is second now. Now you can put all with pencil. Make sure it is very neat and tidy. Don't try to do very, very fast. Make sure it's beautiful and neat and tidy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
New doubt. Ma'am,
Yes.
we can write in ruled paper.
But you are making it on your sheet. Why will you write on wood paper?
Ma'am, I have only ruled paper.
Okay, that's fine. Later on, you can make a better one. Yes, Roslyn?
Ma'am, could I make the calendar of September?
Yes, you can make of November also. Should I check for you when November starts? So first November is on Monday. So yours should start from here. Okay. First November is Monday. But for October, we are starting on Friday. So those who want to make for October, start from Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it till 31 because there are 31 days in October. Very neat and tidy. Don't rush. Okay.
Okay.
So 31 should be on Sunday. Put your videos on, everyone.
Ma'am, 31 days.
Yes, 31 days. 31 should be on Sunday.
Ma'am, in top we can write October.
Yes, lightly with the pencil, we will write October. Very nicely, nice font. October 2021. Okay. Neatly, you should write like this till 31.
We finished.
Finished? Very nice. If you have done very, very good. So what we will do now, if it is neat and tidy, if you're happy, then only take a black pen and do only the numbers. Okay. Don't do the lines, only the numbers. But if it is not neat, erase and do it again.
Also,
If it is not neat, you should erase and do again.
okay, ma'am, I'm on that. We want to write Monday, Saturday also in black pen.
Yes, you can write, but you can also do it with different pen or sketch pen.
Okay, ma'am. Miss, I didn't understand what you said.
I'm saying, Alina, if you are happy, if it is neat and tidy with pencil, then you can take a black pen and write only the numbers with black pen. Okay? But if it is not neat and tidy, erase and write again.
Okay, miss, should you also write the Sunday, Monday,
You
Tuesday?
can try, you can do it with a different pen or sketch pen because these are important ones. Okay? So let's write the numbers first. I'm taking a black pen and writing the numbers neatly, very, very neatly. They should look very beautiful.
Ma'am, please wait for 5 minutes.
Yes, yes, please take your time and do it. Ayan, any question?
Yes. Can I use a black marker pen for the dates?
Yes, if you have black pen, that will be better because marker can go to the other page also.
Okay,
Okay, try to use a black pen
black.
or a black sketch pen. Very neatly, you have to write all the dates.
Ma'am.
Yes. I have zoomed in to show you what it looks like. Okay, you can erase the lines if the pen has dried. So you can erase the lines. Carefully erase it, don't spoil the paper. Aditi, very nice, very beautiful. Very neat and tidy. Good work. Others also can show me if you want to show, I can see. All done? Give me thumbs up if you are done with this. Not yet. Okay. Aradhya, no point, no problem. Take your time. Aditi is done. Alina, no problem. Take your time. But have you understood? Yes. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
So she understood? Okay. Okay. So those who have done, or if it is pending, it's okay. You can, now you know how to complete it. Now take your pencil, okay, very beautifully, whatever you're making October or November, very nice font, write October here with pencil. October 2021. Okay, it should be in a straight line very neatly. And show it to me once you are done.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Yes, please. Good, Aditi. Good work. Others, are you able to write like this, October? Once you have written, show it to me in the camera. I can see.
Numbers, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Roslyn, have you written November here on the top?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Ma'am,
show it to me?
September, not October, November.
Oh, okay, September. Fine, fine. Can you show it to me? Oh, wow, very nice. Very neat and tidy. Good work. Good, Roslyn.
Ma'am, could I write September in sketch pen?
Yeah, wait for it. I will teach you how to do it. I'm going to teach you a technique. Yes, Aradhya?
Can you show my work?
Yes, show it to me. It is blurred. Okay, I can see a little bit, but it is blurred, Aradhya.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please wait.
Okay, okay, waiting. Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Manashwi.
Ma'am, that's all, or we should do another thing.
Wait, I'm telling you. Very nice, Aradhya. Good. Now, those who have done this one, I am going to tell you how we are going to make this beautiful. Okay. First, we will take up, you can continue the numbers later. Now you know how to do it. Okay. So let's write on the top month and year. Okay. So we are going to take a pen, very beautifully try to write October like this. Okay. And once the pen has dried, you can erase this. Now there is a technique that we will use to make this beautiful.
Ma'am, can I use any colors, ma'am?
Yes, you can use any color. Try to use a pen or sketch pen.
Ma'am, pencil, crab pencil.
Yes, that's fine. But we are going to use a color along with the pen. That's why I was telling you. So what I will do is, now I'm going to take a color pencil or sketch pen or crayon, anything. Okay. And just with the black pen along with that, I am also going to write October again with this color. See, like this, can you see? Again, I am going to write October on the top of this. See, it looks like this. It looks like there is shadow. It looks like shadow of October.
From outer line or inner line?
It should be outer line.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see the screen? I've zoomed in. Yes, so you can check here how to do it. Has anyone tried doodles on Kazoop app? Doodles, plant doodles.
Yes, ma'am, plant doodles.
Yes, you have tried plant doodles. So those who have tried plant doodles, you can make plant doodles here on the right of the month or left of the month or bottom. Okay?
Ma'am, what you say again, tell?
Plant doodles, plant doodles. It is there in Kazoop app. How to make it. Very nice, Aditi. Yes, you're doing well. Neat and tidy. Very nice, Roslyn. Looks so good.
And could I do a plant doodle here?
Yes, yes. On the bottom, you can make cute plant doodles. And now what we will do is that we will finalize this SMTW. Okay. And again, you should do it with some other color. You can try some other color here, just like October. Okay. Very neatly, you should write. If it is neat and tidy, then you will enjoy reading it later on. If it is untidy, it will not look good. So take your time. You can do it even after the class.
another color?
Yes, you can write another color also. I am using pink color. Again, just like October I did. I'm going to use pink color along with this so that it looks nice.
Ma'am, it is very cute and it is like 3D art.
What happened?
It's like 3D.
Yes, it's like 3D, it's like shadow. So you learned two things today. How to write shadow font and also how to make calendar.
Yes, ma'am.
And those who have learned plant doodles, they can also practice plant doodles. Those who don't know, you can go to the app and learn from there. Okay, now this is done. Part is done. Do you think it looks good? How does it look?
Ma'am, it's cute.
It's cute, but it's incomplete. I think we should make it more beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what I will do, I will make some plant doodles here like this. Those who have seen the plant doodles, look here. You can make some plant doodles here and here. I'm going to make some leaves here like this over here, first with pencil. And here also. And I will also make some plant doodles here.
Yes, can we draw something else?
You want me to draw something else?
Ma'am, I can't see.
Miss,
Okay.
can we draw something else?
Yes, yes, you can draw anything, any doodles, anything that you like.
Ma'am, can I draw some stars?
Yes, you can draw stars, planets also. Whatever you like. You see, I'm making some plants here. Keep yourself on mute. There is some disturbance coming. Yes. So I have made some plants. Very nice, Aditi. You can make it with green sketch pen also, or just with black pen. Okay. And then I will fill in green color in this one. Now it still looks better. It's colorful. Very nice, Famia. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Good. Good work. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
So all of you can decorate it even more. Now you know how to do it. You can even make it for November if you want. And how will you use it for habit tracking now? So what you can do whenever you are tracking your habit, like eating healthy food or exercising every day, make your target that in 31 days, I will do it for at least 25 days. Okay. And then tick that I did it on first, I did it on second, I did it on third. So you can use it for habit tracking. Okay. Think of any habit that you will track and use your calendar. Keep it in your rooms, decorate it somewhere in your room. Very nice, Kandana, beautiful. Very neat and tidy. You can make even more doodles at the bottom if you want.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice, good work.
We can draw another like this.
Yes, you can draw. Yes, you can draw another one also. Now you know how to make it. You can make it yourself.
Ma'am, and number outside we can draw.
Yes, you can draw there also. So you can do another thing. You can take a crayon like this and also do very light shading behind the dates. Very, very light shading.
Ma'am, we can draw in that round or heart like that shape.
Yes, you can do that also. You can make it in any shape. Okay. Now I will tell you how to submit it on the app. Okay, I will share my screen. So this is the Kazoop app. You can see on the top, you will open Kazoop app like this. Okay, you can see there are so many challenges here. You can learn plant doodles from here, those who want to learn. Okay, here you will see a new challenge. Wait, let me open again. So there is a new challenge, which is calendar making, this one. So here you have to go and submit your entry. Okay, submit your entry from here. So you can take a picture of your entry and submit here. And you will get prizes and rewards and coins, and you can collect your coins here. Okay, and next time you want to join a class, you can click on this purple button and join again. Okay, you can participate in more challenges also, so that you can win more prizes. Okay, understood everyone? Any questions?
No, ma'am, understand.
Understood. Khushi understood? Thumbs up. Aradhya, yes?
Can you see my work?
Yes, show it to me.
Blue one.
Let's show it to everyone. I will stop sharing my screen. Very nice, Aradhya. So beautiful. Very, very nice. I'm putting the work for everyone. You see, Aditi has also made. Very beautiful, Aditi. Very good, Aradhya. You can make it every month now. So good. Anyone else who wants to show? Okay, we have
have a
Huda. Yes, Huda is also showing. Very nice. Very good. You can write the month name on the top, Huda. Okay. Very good. Anyone else? Roslyn, you want to show? Oh, wow. Very good. You can also add doodles. So learn the plant doodles and you can add those.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Bansi, you want to show?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see what Bansi has made. Very nice. You can also remove the lines. It's complete, very neat and tidy. Good work. Aditi has also completed it and also added yellow shade. Wow, very good. Sumi has also made it. Sumi has made such a cute calendar. Very good. Khushi has also made. We can see all of you have made such beautiful calendars. Very, very nice. Good work, everyone. So hope you will keep submitting. Okay, keep submit it on other challenges also. Yes, Ayan.
Completed 4 challenges.
Completed 4 challenges. Wow. I think you will get a certificate if you complete 10 challenges.
I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have also completed
That
3.
I'm not
Three.
able to submit
You're
that
not. What happened?
projects and it's load when I'm trying to submit anything in it, it's
Yes.
loading and not submitting.
Try to submit very small photograph. Don't try to submit video. And try to close the app and try again. Sometimes it gets stuck in between. If you still face problem, my team will help you. Just WhatsApp us. Let us know that you're not able to submit. Okay, we will help you how to submit. Yes, Elena?
Ma'am, I show.
Miss, the drawing that I did, can I show you?
Yes, you can show it to me quickly. So we are running out of time. You can quickly show it to me.
Ma'am,
Wow, very beautiful. Spandana, very nice. Very nice, Elena. Good work.
Ma'am, I got a prize of 300 coins in weather.
In weather making, weather doodle making. Very nice. Keep drawing and keep learning and keep submitting, okay? I will see you in some next week. Bye bye.
Ma'am, the class
Bye
finished.
bye.
Yes,
Bye,
class
ma'am.
finished. Bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.